Have you ever worked hard for something, but no matter what you did, it felt like nothing was happening? Have you ever wondered why success takes so long? Why some people give up, while others seem to break through and achieve incredible things? This is the story of the bamboo tree, a story that will change how you see patience, perseverance, and success forever. Welcome to Epic English Stories, where we help you learn English through powerful, life-changing stories. Listening to stories like this will not only improve your English, but also sharpen your mindset. So, if you want to grow in language and life, hit that subscribe button now. There was once a farmer who dreamed of growing a mighty bamboo tree. He planted the seed with great hope, knowing that this tree would one day stand tall and strong. Every day, he watered the soil, making sure it had enough sunlight. He cared for it just like he did with the other plants in his garden. But something strange happened. Days passed, then weeks, then months, but nothing appeared. The farmer was confused. He had grown many plants before, and they all sprouted quickly. But this seed showed no sign of life. His neighbors laughed at him. They told him he was wasting his time. They said, "Why are you watering something that does not even exist? Give up and plant something else." But the farmer refused. He had heard that the bamboo tree was different from other plants. It required patience. So, he kept watering, kept believing, kept waiting. 1 year passed. Still, nothing. 2 years. Not a single sprout. 3 years. The land looked empty. 4 years. The farmer began to doubt himself. What if the seed was dead? What if he had wasted 4 years of his life? But he held on. He reminded himself, growth takes time. And then, in the 5th year, something incredible happened. One morning, he saw a tiny green shoot emerging from the ground. It was small, almost unnoticeable, but it was there. The neighbors laughed again, saying, "5 years for that tiny thing? Is that all?" But the farmer kept watering. And then, something even more shocking happened. Within just 6 weeks, that tiny shoot grew into a massive bamboo tree over 90 feet tall. It had spent 5 years growing its roots underground, strengthening its foundation. And when the time was right, it exploded with unstoppable growth. Now, think about your own life. Have you ever worked hard for something but felt like nothing was happening? Have you ever wanted to give up because success seemed too far away? The truth is, success works just like the bamboo tree. When you start working towards something big, you will not always see immediate results. Others might laugh at you. They might tell you to quit. They might say, "Why are you still trying?" But what they cannot see is that you are growing your roots. You are building your foundation. And when the time is right, your success will shoot up like the bamboo tree. Look at some of the most successful people in history. Steve Jobs was fired from his own company before coming back stronger. Colonel Sanders had over 1,000 restaurant owners reject his KFC recipe before he found success. J.K. Rowling was rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter became a global phenomenon. They all had one thing in common. They kept watering their dreams, even when nothing seemed to be happening. Now, ask yourself, what is your bamboo tree? What are you working on right now that seems like it is not growing? Is it your career? Your skills? Your dreams? Do not give up. Keep going. Keep watering your seed. Because one day, when you least expect it, your success will grow faster than you ever imagined. Comment below and tell me, what is the one thing you are working on that requires patience? Let us talk about it. Remember, success is not about how fast you grow. It is about how strong your roots are. Growth takes time, but when it happens, it is unstoppable. And here is a powerful quote to keep you going. Do not judge each day by the harvest you reap, but by the seeds that you plant. At Epic English Stories, we believe stories are more than entertainment. They are lessons that shape your life and improve your English at the same time. The more you listen, the more you grow. So, if this story inspired you, subscribe now for more life-changing stories. And tell us in the comments, what is your bamboo tree? What are you waiting to see grow? Let us inspire each other. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and remember, Your success is just waiting beneath the surface.